Hey guys, this is Robert, and today I'm going to show you how to activate your Enphase Enlightened accounts so you can monitor your solar production. Now you click on activate your account and then enter your email. Okay, so now check back for an email. See here is the email. Go in there and then hit reset password. All right, so I'm going to put a password here. Read the privacy policy and terms of service by clicking on the link, and then I'm going to hit activate account. Okay, so I put my password in and then activate the account, and it's successfully reset the password. I'm going to put my email and sign in. Okay, so after you are activated, here is the dashboard. You see everything's normal and energy produced. And there we go. That is how you activate your Enphase Enlighten monitoring accounts and go to your dashboard. So hopefully you found this video useful. If you have any questions or comments, leave them below and let me know how much energy you produce. And thanks for stopping by. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, share the video, and I will see you next time.